maybe we don't exactly know what we want. Meron tayong tinatawag na false choices. Choices from the past or to please other people. Kinuha mo yung trabahong gusto ng parents mo, hindi yung gusto mo for yourself. Kinuha mo yung kotse, negosyong hindi mo gusto. Basically, ginagawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto ng ibang tao para sa'yo. But the thing is, in your mind, you have a goal, you have a target. And entrepreneurs are so good in taking action towards the goal, yung goal ng ibang tao para sa kanila. That is why may na-achieve naman sila eh. May nakukuha naman silang level of success. Pero nawawala nga lang. And the worst, mayaman ka na't lahat, you are reaching a certain level of success but you're still unhappy. You are unfulfilled. Burnout ka pa rin. Sunog ka pa rin. We are operating from the mind, rekta sa katawan. Para tayong robot na basta na lang nagte-take ng action without knowing what we want and understanding who we are. How can you love yourself if you don't know who you are? How can you give yourself the gift if you don't know what you want? Kaya nga sinimulan natin sa clarity. Para klaro. At para maibigay mo sa sarili mo yung gusto mo.